Hey guys, Matt here. So the other day I was talking to one of my friends. He has studied leadership books and he's a student of that particular discipline. And then we got into the discussion about how the evolution of leadership has evolved in the corporate structure. So there are different styles of leadership. There is autocrat, there is a democrat, there is a paternal leadership, there is a servant leadership. So there are different, like 4 or 5 different styles. And nowadays there is a lot of emphasis, there is so much traction on what is called the notion of servant leadership. That nomenclature is gaining a lot of traction because in the servant leadership you are not operating from the command and control sort of structure, but rather you are treating your employees, your entire ecosystem from the perspective of serving. And then that is why you are able to generate a whole lot of trust and you basically bring the defenses down, and that's why you see servant leaders are becoming more successful. So I tried, as I started thinking about that, it occurred to me that the modern marketing is no different than that, right? So it used to be that the traditional marketing, the idea was about mass marketing, where you would run an ad or promotion hoping to appeal your customers and hoping that they will end up buying your product or service. But the modern marketing has evolved drastically, also known as digital marketing, inbound marketing, and at its core it is really all about serving your customers. And what I mean by that is today's online audience, your customers, your prospects have become extremely internet savvy. They do their research beforehand. Even picking up the phone, they know exactly what to say, what to ask. So if you are not prepared and if you don't have enough brand equity beforehand, you might as well lose them. And in terms of the serving aspect, what I mean by that is it is really all about knowing your customers' pain point, challenges, desires, and entering into their mind, right? So the more you are able to create your brand equity, the more you are able to create your personal brand, display that kind of speaks to your audience's desires, challenges, likes, pain points, the more you will be able to establish some kind of connection, chemistry, and that is how your customers would know that you are already serving them. So I thought that was pretty interesting in terms of how the leadership concept has evolved, is evolving into the corporate environment, and in the same time the marketing concept has evolved from the traditional marketing concepts to the more serving oriented marketing, is also called as digital marketing. So I hope you got some value out of that. Feel free to revert back. Talk soon. Take care.